Learning with GBA, episode 12, Brand Innovation, Developing Your Brand Through Strategic Innovation. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. Jerome Joseph, and I am the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Theatre Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. Now, I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. Hashtag innovation, hashtag brand transformation, hashtag brand innovation. What are the trends today in the marketplace? What are the innovations that your organization can adopt? How can these innovations impact your organization and help you create your own innovations? These are what we help our clients see. The value of innovation versus being status quo. So this is the question I want to ask you. What about your brand? What are the key components of your brand that you can use to innovate in the marketplace and to create new streams of revenue? This is what the Brand Innovation Workshop is all about. Here are some learning outcomes from this program. You are going to review your brand and assess how it can be repositioned based on our innovation framework. You are going to look at what your competition is doing and you're going to stay ahead of them. I'm going to help you do that, to help you reinvent your brand and to make your customers keep coming back because you've given them something new. You're going to gain access to our powerful brand innovation framework to help you determine the next steps for your brand. This workshop has helped propel our clients' brands simply by learning the key principles of brand innovation and learning how they could innovate and perform in the marketplace. Don't be a brand that stays stagnant. Be a brand that excites, entices, and invites people and audiences to their fore. Are you ready to innovate? Are you ready to stand out in the marketplace? Join us for our Brand Innovation Workshop. For inquiries, visit our website or social pages. Links are in the bio. My name is Dr. Jerome Joseph, and this is Learning with GBA.